Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. A minute up on the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. We have a whole lot to discuss in this video, so it's extremely important to watch the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with the most important thing and saying I hope everybody is safe and sound. You feel what I mean? Because you don't know the thing set. A lot of people is taking these natural um, catastrophes for a joke, as you see the American in the beginning of the video. You feel me? And you know that this hurricane is supposed to reach a category 5 this month, and these are some of the images that you see throughout the island. That was Alligator Pond. This is Spald in Clarendon, and as you know, this is flat lands. I mean flat bridge. I mean about to say Flatbush or ass cloud, you know. This is my say. So you see say the water thing and the drug thing. You know what I mean? So that's the one giving a quick update what going for that to go on in that aspect of Mother Nature.
Oh, and the landslide, it's like some of the land, some of the dirt just drop off now. Respect for you give them guys. Respect for the heart, mate.
Okay, people, the next trending topic I see popping out the dancehall have to deal with Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? Cause you know, say, he's a dancehall sex symbol, you feel me? So, a lot of people in Dali business, and unfortunately for some of him Dali, he is the cause of a lot of strife in her life, yes. Sharika said Vybz Kartel lied to Uno and another Sanyamar up for it. You see what I say? Because this thing with the informing thing Panchati, nothing no go so. You see what I say? And she made a post saying at this point I realized that him at the weapon were formed against me. You see what I say? Sex. She also went to say strangers on the internet she inform and still not get the man. Me sit down with the man, I tell him look what he caused. Him, babes, you have time amidst dirty people. You know say oh me troll the junk with them at daytime and give them something for talk. Proceeds to say inform Rika. Put in the comment section if you believe her, because honestly, if anybody was to inform Vybz Kartel and anything, it would have probably been Lisa hype. You feel me? Because you know, homegirl know everybody business, you know. But she went on to say, I know life is a joke because strangers hate me over some bull-ish. Over some bull-ish, my baby daddy said. All time, nothing no go so. Right? Anyway, people, let's proceed with the next. Because the baby mom them said, no vex when them talk about Vybz Kartel who's shelling down Canada with Drakes and all of these things in Toronto. You see me? Now, people, time for the bagger that I'm not really here for, you feel me? Like I said, I don't have nothing against nobody. I'm just doing what I do. You know, they say I'm the Jamaican TMZ shade room, whatever, people. A lot of scamming is going on, you know. Snow name them and them name I get called up in a whole lot of scams, you know. I don't know what's going on with the sea, but it is real rough right now, and it's not because of Melissa. It's my say, you know, Snow exposed one of our boob them or whatever him call them, you see me. And whenever he does this type of stuff, the sea whales always erupt because they think that is unfair. X, Y, and Z, you see. As you can see, one fish named Tiki, the vomit dog, or whatever name is. So why don't expose Akeem them? True, the all of them do scamming. And him did have more than 10 of them around him in the house and never do that. Why him a do it to them boy, you see? No, somebody from them community and them circle or wherever, they link me and say, yo, them know these guys in person. Right? Akeem and figure it out, you see me I say. And confirm say Akeem man's not there. And a bag of other man, you see me I say. But they also disclose who figure it out boyfriend was. When I snowman them, you see me. You know what I mean? As you can see, they buying these boys the BMW and all of these things because there's some heavy chopping that going on, you know, my piece. I mean, even a light tone, you know. Right? The person corresponded with me for over an hour. So this is just a little sample of what we're about for this short, you know. Because we're going to let go of everything, you know. Right? As in, you can say, what go on for that to go on, is it? I'm going to do a review for on YouTube, obviously, but if you don't want to catch this exposing live, on follow me on TikTok, cause we're gonna need 100,000 taps on the screen, you know what I mean? Because we can't just be giving away these good teas for free. I was going to do it today, but I'm kind of under the weather, right? I'm not under Melissa. Because you know a long time in that on top. Melissa in Melissa, but yeah, Hurricane Melissa, we not under that, but I'm kind of under the weather right now, you see me. Sinuses and things and they can hear, you see myself. So I'm just giving a lot of update while going for that to go on. This thing is about to go crazy. And I'm more talking about the scamming part, cause more and FBI involved now, you know. So all of them clean can in story down here, it's very much true. You see me? Now, it seems like Rosealee man them is into scamming hard, you know. With this detail, Akeem and figure it out. You know, I scam with them boyfriend them. You know, I mean a clean card and all of these stuff. You see me, I say, I know for your baby daddy chicks out here hustling them own a pitney them and a thief them business, popcorn business and all these things. Right? No Queen Bella talk the things them. You see me? So let's hear what I'm going from that to go on and proceed.
I see no own business. A grown man like you wants your own. Are people in pitney you want to come for buy? For stretch out their hand and crutch their hand miggle? Are that you want, Jakes? Yes, Annie. Jakes again. Annie Palmer, yes, Jakes again. Cause Jakes come out to come live. Say a popcorn and snow cone business while I tell Shanta to tell Rosealee if you buy popcorn and snow cone machine. So yes, Jakes again. Problem? I never send call you over here, you know. Never send call you over here at all. I mean, no, say Jakes, the live right now, what kind of people ever would have send on the money game. So when you not go on over there, go contribute. Go on over there, go contribute, my love. Jakes is on live. Me black him, me can't see him and him can't see me. But you don't have to be over here. Jakes is on live right now and you want to fill in life goal and draw. You know, see that we always cruff that. Cruff! From the Peter L. Jakes. Bad mind and cruffish mentality. In willing to sacrifice in liquor data business. If say a fee one. Because as soon as you take you over it, I just say business crash. Cause nobody don't want nothing from you for buy Jakes. You know, so you look dirty. Who go buy anything from you? Make one little angel like Shanta, one little baby. I rather eat dirt from a baby than eat dirt from a big man. I rather go buy the snow cone from Shanta than ever buy from you. Make one little baby give me dirt because they don't know better. But you, the first day you go turn up beside Shanta business and they say crash. Beside Shanta, now a Shanta business in one go take set pan. Shanta business. When one Rosealee if you fund. In one Rosealee buy the equipment for Shante up in business and then him come out just come tell us say a business license. And him don't even willing to buy the popcorn machine. Him don't even willing to buy the popcorn machine or the hot dog machine or any one of their machine them or one of the cup, one of pack of cup we put snow cone in. He want Shanta to call Rosealee and pest her every day to buy the equipment them and then him come tell us say I'm business. Come on, guys, on top of the screen. Me know so me never gone for long. Wanna run gone already? Give me some taps, guys. Give me some taps and one Rosie so TikTok sees some kind of activity upon the live. Thank you. Thank you so much. Imagine. Thank you, Carla D. You're so low that you're willing to hijack your little daughter business. If you come tricky people, if make it look like you have ambition. Like we don't know say you're a dirty croft. But like you have ambition. You have ambition, sir? The daughter picture. Look at this picture. She was about 6. You have ambition? In Jakes? You have an ambition? You want tricky people, them? You have any ambition? You want hijack Chantal little business? Because as a 5 subject man as you couldn't come up with a business idea by yourself. As soon as you little baby. One little snow cone machine. Because you know kids, because Chantal, them I like fun. You know, little fun thing for do for your little girl. Morning, darling. No, Jakes want to hijack you see a film business, my love. Chantal beverage. And he don't put 10 cents in a Chantal beverage. But he want to collect Chantal beverage. See a film one. And Jakes don't have an address. 5 subject and fully dunks. Woman of I can't even see. Virtue. Woman of virtue. I think I say. You know, so the glass and a real prescription, the guys, at the $1 them I buy from that. I need to get some real prescription so I can read properly. In more than worthless German. Jakes want to hijack Chantal business. And in a meanwhile, Jakes no want to put 1 penny to the business. Him tell Chantal to go to your mother. Come make your mother buy you. Because at the end of the day, he always sneaking. I watch Rosealee 2 little shilling. At the end of the day, Jakes had the right pan Rosealee 2 little shilling. That him don't even willing to buy him daughter a popcorn machine. Or a snow cone machine or a hot dog machine. The same business woman come brag pan. Can you imagine? And people over there pack up every day and give Jakes them money when Jakes don't even want to give it in them school fee. And these are the kind of person who think say, who no fear give you no money to. This is the man who na come support. A woman beater in a mining pit to them, a peer crutches in by, a peer lying tell. Everything about Jakes is a fraud. Jakes come and tell you already saying you have apartment. Where is the apartment? Don't even come tell you say you have apartment. Where is the apartment? Because Rosealee bust it out. Where's the apartment? You know what? You just still asleep over the gully and come tell us say apartment. And because Rosealee not allow him to tell no lie over here and get away with you. And just still step on the 2 mattress with the mother and come tell us say you have apartment who don't have to pay rent. I mean, I know why you never come call you know. In the gully. In the gully. Jakes live in the gully and he want to come tell us say apartment who no pay rent and he don't have no way to pay rent for. Jakes make enough money for go rent one little place, but he not do it. He not do it. Because he see people are beat him saying nah build no place. He run go buy one little bag of cement what they and one little whatever. A matter of fact, we no see what he load of black. We see him at the place. Say my buy more black and see. You know they see truck come and load it. Oh. For them dig a foundation and cost to steal them, that's what they say there. One know where the Amazon wish list. If I go ask Sassy. Sassy a pack in a barrel. You ever go ask Sassy, me love? Ask Sassy, me say a show. Say how much things people buy. And Jake's not address, so wait I go to. You can make it be blend chicken, no? If you go ask Sassy, me love. Me dear. You have to go ask the Sassy about the Amazon wish list. Cause I over in Golden live and anybody live in a one little board house with 2 mattresses but one of the one big hole in it. I think I must sleep on. So me don't know whatever that the address I'm gonna use, I don't know. You have to go ask Sassy and the crew. You see Sassy I showed us she a pack barrel. So maybe she can pack them in that barrel. When they ask me, what me know go ask Sassy. What to J Amazon list, me love. Me don't know me there. Because we know say I pay like the man tell. Pay life for the Peter Hill. The biggest one when tell we shock me more than ever. I when I come claim Chantal little business where Rosealee a fund. The greatest lie when tell lately, I'm saying lie on a regular days. I'm saying lie for fun, you know. But the biggest lie when tell lately, I when he come talk say Chantal beverage belongs to him. Meanwhile, Rosealee, meanwhile Chantal called Rosealee for go buy the popcorn and the snow cone and the hot dog machine for opening a little business. Jakes is on live telling us say he have business license named Chantal Beverages. Okay, we don't talk. If you can't I want hijack your one little data business where your mother have fun, what you wouldn't do? I know some nice people out there who listen to me, you know. I know some people with some real sense that listen to me, you know. Imagine Jakes want to hijack Chantal little business where Rosealee have a fund for Chantal. Jakes want to go hijack it because for him ambition is, you know, when Chantal gone to school at the time, him can sell snow cone and popcorn in blood. I wonder if my petty file. I wonder if my petty file might try to rope in people pitney. Me don't know. Because I want to know a grown man like you. When you look at that I gone to school at the time, why you want to go over popcorn and snow cone business for sell? Because I mostly pitney buy popcorn and snow cone. Me don't know. I wonder if you try to get the people and pitney them near you. Me I watch you. I'm gonna put nothing past you because you lie. Can't put nothing past Jakes.
Well, we.
Of course, if I'm an idiot. Not mama wait when Chantal gone to school. He out this he tells him I tell convince Chantal to make him sell snow cone and popcorn till she come from school. So you know, so I saw little girl and little boy will come by popcorn. So of course.
Yeah, one bagga people. If you want to continue with some more mix-up, swing from my other channel, the Miss Mass. Because when I go along it out no longer righteous. You see it. You know what I mean? Hopefully everybody is safe and sound back at home in Jamaica. This Mass, stay blessed and stay safe. Out.